everyone, this is Kurt Vogel, and I am the self-advocate for the self-advocate faculty for the Georgia Lind program. In this video tutorial, I will walk you through on how to record your Georgia Lind introduction video into Flipgrid and submitting it into Mark's Flipgrid page. If you are using a computer, please enter the link below into a web browser, or if you're using your phone, download the Flipgrid app. So since I am using my computer, I'm going to open a web browser. And so we will just type flipgrid.com/GALIND2021. And so here you'll either, if you are using your Georgia State University email account, you'll click login with Microsoft, and then if you are using your Gmail account, you'll click login with Google. And so since I'm going to use my Gmail account, I will click login. And so this is Mark's Flipgrid homepage, and so you will just scroll down and click the plus sign to record your video, and so then the screen will pop up. And so I will just record a video here, a sample video. Hi everyone, this is just a sample video of my helping to create the video tutorial. And so then you'll just click next. And so then you'll click next, and then you'll snap a selfie, and this will be the thumbnail image of what displays on Mark's Flipgrid homepage. And so then this is where you will just type in your name. And so I don't really care about putting this other information in, so I'll just hit submit video. And then you can just click submit or complete. And then that's basically it. Thank you for taking the time to do your introduction. This will help other people in this will help other trainees in the Georgia Lind program get to know everyone, especially since we will be doing our orientation on Zoom.